Ever pondered about the significance of natural essential oils and herbs in our daily lives? How they not only add aroma to our surroundings, but also bring myriad health benefits? Well, it's high time we delve into this fascinating world. Enter Sveti Georgi 2021 Limited, a company that prides itself on offering high-quality Bulgarian and imported raw materials to the Bulgarian market and beyond. Their forte? A wide array of natural essential oils, each carrying a unique scent and therapeutic properties. But that's not all. Sveti Georgi 2021 Limited also brings to the table a variety of basic natural oils. Derived from grains, seeds, nuts, fruits, cereals and flowers, these oils offer a natural touch to your skincare routine. And if you're a fan of floral waters, they've got you covered. These fragrant waters are perfect for a refreshing spritz on a hot day or as a soothing element in your skincare routine. Their catalog doesn't end there. Sveti Georgi 2021 Limited also offers different categories of natural oils. Whether you're looking for cosmetic quality, conventional or organic quality, cold-pressed, refined, or even pharmaceutical quality, they've got it all. For those who prefer more concentrated benefits, Sveti Georgi 2021 Limited provides extracts, including concretes, absolutes, CO2, glycol extract, and waxes. Want to go the traditional route? They've got dry herbs and powders of dried herbs as well. The company's flexibility in offered cuts or packaging and wrapping ensures you get just the right amount of product you need. And of course, every product comes with documentary security, including analytical certificates, quality certificates, and certificates of origin. Sveti Georgi 2021 Limited is fully committed to quality, safety, environmental, and health issues. So you can rest easy knowing you're in good hands. And to top it off, they offer transport services both in the country and abroad. In essence, Sveti Georgi 2021 Limited is more than just a company. It's a commitment to natural quality products that enhance your life. A dedication to providing the best of what nature has to offer, right at your doorstep. So why wait? Dive into the world of natural essential oils and herbs with Sveti Georgi 2021 Limited and experience the difference.